take this cover off. I'm just going to use a trim tool. There's push pins to take off. Take the center part out, and then underneath, you have those two on the front, those two further out, and then 3 on the top. All right, pull this cover off. Now I'm just going to take a felt tip pen and just mark where the old mount is, or the hood latch, because we want to put it back in the same position when we go back together. Now there's 2 10mm bolts right here and 1 on the other side. Use a 10mm socket, take those off. All right, take those bolts out and grab that, slide that out of the way. Just use some needle nose pliers, disconnect the cable right here. Just squeeze it. Pull it through and slide it out. Just like that. Take this hood cable, just slide it around this hook right there and press the rest in just like that so it locks in place. And line it up. Take the bolts, get the bolts started. So when you go to tighten these down, just make sure your lines line up as close as you can to where they were when you took the old one out. And tighten those up. That's good. And put this cover on. And put these push pins in. Lock them down. Make sure the hood lines up. Looks good to go.